Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm back with another makeup tutorial. If you are new to my channel, my name is Juvia, and if you guys want to see how I did this look, keep on watching. So I'm gonna be starting off by using my Tarte lip exfoliate. I'm gonna be applying it while I do my and I'm just gonna let it sit on my lips while I just apply my makeup, my eyeshadow, and everything else. As you guys can see, I did do my eyebrows and I already prepped my lid. And we're gonna be using this palette from Anastasia. Look at the colors though. With my brush, Morphe M441, I'm gonna be grabbing the OG. This will be my transition color right here. Just gonna be blending back and forth. Like I said, this is actually my first time using this palette and I am so excited. I have heard so many good reviews about this palette. I just had to go out there and try it myself. I'm always down for a new palette. I mean, who isn't? Now after applying the OG, I'm gonna go in with this color right here, Samsa, right here. And just start doing it like under. And now I'm gonna use BK, this black over here, to blend in the inner with my Morphe 562. And kind of blend it going in. Then I'm gonna go back to my Morphe, what is this, 441. I'm just basically blending the three colors I put together, which will be Samsa, BK, and OG. Now I'm gonna be going in with my concealer, and I'm gonna be cleaning with my eye shaper. After cleaning that, I am gonna go in with my Morphe 433, and I'm gonna go in with this color right here. It's called ROSAS. Oh, it's so bomb. Look at that color though. And I'm gonna be doing the same to my other eye. This is like a real pretty pink. I'm totally loving it. Basically blending it in. All this. After doing that to my eyes, I am not done. I am gonna be using my Anastasia Dream palette right here. I thought it would be like a cute blend color right here, unicorn. So that's basically what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna put some on my eyelid as well. And then I'm gonna be grabbing the same unicorn from my Anastasia Glow Kite, and I'm gonna be putting some under my eyebrows to highlight it. And the same on the other. So after applying the eyeliner, I'm gonna go in with my Lancome mascara to get ready for my lashes. I will be wearing my Lilly lashes. And I'll be right back. So I'm back. I did do my foundation off camera simply because I feel like I already have a video of how to apply my foundation. I did put on my lashes off camera as well. And now we're going to be moving to my bronzer. For today, I'm going to be using my Benefit Dallas bronzer. Looks like this. And I'm going to be applying it with my Tarte. I usually grab my brush like this, dab it in there, and I always let this side be downwards too. Do it like that. And I'm gonna be doing the same thing to the other cheek as well, like this. And go in with this brush to contour my nose a little bit to snatch it. I like to do it all the way up to my eyebrow, kind of like following it like that. If you guys do want to see how I do my contour, my highlight, I would like for you guys to let me know, comment down below, and I will do a video just based on highlight and my contour, the way I do it. I'm gonna be going in with my Morphe setting banana. Looks like this. And of course, I'm using my Morphe sponge. I'm just gonna dab it in there and put some under my eye to set all that makeup in. And I'm gonna do the same to the other side. Okay. I'm gonna be putting some right here. And then I feel like your nose gets more snatched if you bake like right here. And of course, I'm gonna be baking under my cheek. And I'm just gonna leave that there for a few minutes. Now I'm gonna move into my lips. I do have a wipe right here. So basically what I do, I'm just gonna clean my lip. And I do recommend this Tarte lip exfoliate. I love it. Why? Because now my lips feel so soft and it kind of has like a minty feeling. They're just ready to be done. I am using my Stila lip liner in the color Pink Moscato. I am gonna be filling my lips with my Urban Decay, what is it, on the Criminal Comfort lipstick. It looks like this. It's real pretty. I like this nude colors. I usually just fuck with nothing but nude colors. These lashes are bum as fuck. Then we're gonna go in and just set my makeup. Highlighter, I'm gonna be using this as well. I'm gonna be using Unicorn. I'm gonna be spraying this my brush so that I'm setting. So yeah, I'm pretty much done.